I am from Algeria. I have a company here, based here in UAE. We create content, like documentaries content for.
You create content?
Yeah, for American or United States companies. And my vision is to start an e-commerce business. That's why I'm here.
Okay, and so just start e-commerce business, or is
Just
it a
starting.
plan?
No, just starting.
Why you want to start e-commerce business? For money? How much money?
I don't know, but
Okay, so one of the things, what I'll do with examples of different people, if I have achieved so much success, I don't feel like I'm wherever I want to be, I'm not there yet. But still people think, oh, you're a multimillionaire, you have so many companies, etc., etc. Why and how I managed to achieve this? Because I'm laser focused. I'm focused on my 2030 vision. No matter what, all of you work with me, all of you swear at me, all of you leave, it doesn't matter, I will achieve my target, laser focus. But what I realize, most of the time people do not have a clear plan, clear target, a clear vision. If you don't have a clear vision and plan, you're never going to get there because you don't know where you want to get to. For example, you said, I want to do e-commerce. Obviously you want to do e-commerce because you must have heard or saw other people who are making good money. How much money? $10,000 a month, $1 million a month, $1 billion a month, whatever it is. If you set up a target for 20, 25, 20, 30, whatever, then your efforts would be more focused and you will automatically find ways to get there. So what were you thinking when you came here? How would this network help you?
yeah, because I talked with Ayaz, found the meetup here, the meeting in meetups, like I said. I talked with him and he told me that you have an e-commerce trainer. That's why I'm here.
So e-commerce, you want to start your own brand?
Yeah.
You want to learn?
Yeah.
Well, what stage are you? Your own brand?
Yeah, my own brand.
And do you have money to start a brand?
As a start, yeah.
Okay, so then it's easy. For example, I have one of the companies and we're probably one of the biggest training provider as well. Not only the training provider, as well as one of the biggest selling platform here as well. So you will get good training. If you need training, you can do joint venture with my team and they will also guide you. And we have all the tricks as well to make you successful. So for you, the best option would be, again, connect with my team as well as there might be other people